Sir, same thing in English. Sir, how do you view this NDA rally today by the Prime Minister?
Sir, just a minute.
Let them the Prime Minister.
See, today the NDA front, led by the AIADMK in Tamil Nadu, conducted a massive conference. We wanted to hold a public meeting, but it turned out to be a massive conference. More than 5 lakh people attended. And Prime Minister gave a lot of assurance for the people of Tamil Nadu, saying that there should be a change of this corrupt DMK government and bring in the government headed by the ADMK in the next 2 months. And he will give his full support to the development of Tamil Nadu.
So the DMK government has been saying that this is an opportunistic alliance, and the alliance partners have been forced by BJP into this alliance. What is your response to this?
See, our intention is to throw out this corrupt, anti-people, anti-women DMK government. I've been going around for the last 6 months to every district, every constituency. I've done a Padayatra myself. The only one issue for me is to throw out this DMK government. And I've joined this alliance passionately. Tamil Nadu needs a change. We have a chief minister who doesn't know what is happening in the state. Every day there have been murders because of drug-induced murders, drug-related murders, substance abuse murders. Tamil Nadu is the highest state using substance abuse, like in every village you can see. And there's corruption in every department. So people here want a change. And there's a huge anti-incumbency wave, which in election time is going to be a tsunami against the DMK. They are going to be absolutely thrown out. And our alliance is a huge, successful alliance, and definitely, and more parties will be joining our alliance. And we will win hands down in 2 months.
Edapadi Palaniswamy has been saying that he will be winning 210 seats with this alliance.
Absolutely. We will be winning more than 200 seats, and that's the reality you're going to see soon. Because I know the pulse of the people. I've gone around, in every constituency I've gone around, I've seen that people, especially women, parents, the girls, young persons, youngsters, the farmers, and all of them are very, very angry with this government.
How do you respond to CM's statement saying that they won in 2019, they won in 2021, again this is 2024 as well?
See, why the DMK has been winning the last couple of elections is because the opposition was fragmented. That was the only reason. Not because people supported the DMK. Today we have all come together. All the oppositions come together in a joint alliance. So people have confidence in us, and in fact, Prime Minister, that confidence has reiterated after the Prime Minister's visit, and it's going to go with a big bang, and we are very, very confident that we will win this election hands down.
Do you believe that this is going to be a two-way battle, sir, between DMK and ADP, and there is no place for third party?
Absolutely, without a doubt. The narrative for this election is ADMK versus DMK. That is the narrative. The narrative for this election is Stalin versus Edapadi Palaniswamy. That is the narrative. Nothing else. Nothing else matters. So this is the narrative, and the DMK is hiding behind this, giving rumors saying that this is between DMK and all the other all these things So absolutely. So this is the narrative we are going to see, and we are fully behind this alliance.
You also call for an call like BJP, the like-minded opposition to.
Yes. More of them will join our alliance, and we'll be happy to welcome them.
So the call, can we take this as a call from?
Absolutely. This is the call not only from me, but the alliance leaders and all the others. So we look forward to other parties joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.